Chefs, the judges have finished their deliberation. Whose dish will be on the chopping block? Hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel. We are
Ruth
and Thomas, and we are your date mates, bringing you adventurous date ideas every week.
This week, we are gonna show you how you can do the chopped cooking challenge at home based on the hit TV show, Chopped. So if you've never heard of that show before, the premise is 3 chefs get a mystery basket with ingredients that are chosen by the judges. There are usually a couple normal ingredients and a couple weird ingredients, and you have a certain amount of time to come up with a creative dish. So we're doing this a little bit different than the TV show if you've watched that. So instead of both of us cooking a course, Thomas is gonna do the main entree, and then I'm gonna do dessert. For step 1, you are going to go to the grocery store and choose ingredients for each other. So I'm gonna pick ingredients for his entree.
And I'm gonna pick ingredients for the dessert.
Exactly. So we're gonna head to Walmart and take you with us. Hey, it's Ruth here. If you've liked anything you've seen so far, we would love it if you would click that subscribe button and also turn on all notifications so that you don't miss an episode. Thanks. First thing on my list is a protein item. I think I'm gonna go with short rib. All right, here we go. My wild card item, root beer. So we'll see what he can do with this. And as an homage to my Asian roots, bok choy. And the last item for my mystery box, my mom's favorite fruit, guava. Mystery box complete.
Cottage cheese. So we just made it back from Walmart. I will open up the basket, pull out the ingredients, and after I've pulled out the last ingredient, the time will begin and I will begin. Nervous.
Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous.
Are your creative juices flowing?
I think so. I think I've got some ideas.
Yeah, ideas? You don't even know what my ingredients are yet. I'll go ahead and start the timer here. All right, he's cutting into the guava. Have you ever cooked with guava before?
I have never cooked with guava before. I don't know if you use the seeds or not. I don't know if I'm supposed to scoop it out.
Ooh, let's see those knife skills. Look at that. Thomas has been known to get finger injuries, so this does make me a little bit nervous, but all right, let's go get a time update. You have 22 minutes and 45 seconds. All right, he's got a pan on the stove. Kind of looks like apples.
It does.
Are you feeling confident?
Oh, very confident.
You think you can beat me?
I think I can beat you for sure.
This is the perfect challenge for Thomas. In college, he was kind of frugal. I guess that's the nice way to put it. Many times he wouldn't have grocery shopped for weeks and would have to find whatever he could in the kitchen to make a meal, for better or for worse. There's been some interesting inventions to come out of that. All right, the reduction is looking good. What have you added so far?
Just salt and garlic salt.
Yum, 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 yum. And we've just passed the halfway mark. All right, he's pulled out the ribs.
This one's gonna be mine, and this one's yours. All right.
I probably eat more than you do.
Oh, that's for sure.
You're doing a great job, babe.
Oh, thank you.
Looking strong.
Thank you.
All right, you have 4 minutes left.
Well, this is going to be our salad.
Nice, a little fresh bok choy salad. I like it, I like it. You have 1 minute
I'm
left.
supposed to announce 5 minutes.
I said I announced 4.
Oh no.
You better start plating. 30 seconds, nothing on the plate. Is he gonna make it? 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands in the air. Nice. All right, it's my turn. So, let's see what I'm making for dessert.
You nervous?
Scared. Yeah, I'm kind of scared. I bet you got weird stuff.
You know me.
Okay. A mega family size? Why do we need family size frosted flakes?
All right, Ruth, your time starts now.
These always terrify me. I did not grow up with them, did not learn how to open one until college. They're terrifying. Oh! I think I'm gonna make a take on a sopapilla, some kind of fried doughy thing with stuff in it. Dude, what am I doing?
A real chef can open her own prune jar.
Wow, I need to work out more.
Do you need help from the judges?
Yes, please. This is literally why I married him.
Oh.
Maybe.
24 minutes left on the clock.
Yes, we're doing a little bit of a prune cream cheese filling here. I'm doing like a folding technique.
There we go.
Like that. Let's get these bad boys frying. And in the pan they go. All right, going the old this method. That hurts. Ouch.
14:52.
Ooh, those are brown.
Sopapilla.
What's my time?
All right, 5 minutes.
Now I'm just warming up a little butter. And I'm gonna cook my toppings in here. They're just gonna get a little, get tossed a bit here.
Look at her plating it. I'm very intrigued to try it. You certainly transformed your dish, hon.
Thank you. Ooh, you hear that? Ooh.
You ready to chow down?
I'm done. Alright, let's try it. Meat is very flavorful and delicious. The slaw is refreshing and a nice balance. I like the acidity. The only critique I would have is the guava seeds. Yeah, it really is like, did I just chip my tooth? Is that a piece of my tooth?
Which Ruth did just chip her tooth in our surprise staycation date. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. I actually was expecting to be really critical of this dish, but I kind of like it.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
All right, shall we try a bite of the dessert?
It looks amazing. Smells amazing. That's really good.
That's not bad.
Mm-mm.
The topping, I like the topping, the crunchy topping.
It's like caramelized. It's just like crunchy caramels.
Wow. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but this is pretty dang good. After the commercial break.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chefs, the judges have finished their deliberation. Whose dish will be on the chopping block?
Da da da.
Chef Thomas, you have been chopped.
It was a good match. All right, well, we are gonna finish the rest of our dinner, but we will see you next week for another episode of
The Date Mates.
Ow! I'm so scared.
Did you chip your tooth again?
No. I don't know what I bit though. I'm kind of nervous.
Fight with your back tooth.
That's what I'm gonna do. Oh! It's a seed. It's scary, they're really hard.
I'm sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry.
I didn't anticipate your teeth being so weak.
That's a terrible apology.
I'm sorry.
And then the reaction shot of when we know.
Wait. Oh.
Okay, ready?
In case you guys are wondering, it's real. Coronavirus has taken all of our toilet paper away. There's one left. Thank the Lord. Because we actually needed some. Right now we're sharing one roll with 3 people at our house. This is sugar or cocaine. And we've got some innovation going on here. When you don't have a lid, just use another pot. Babies are sleeping. That's why we're being quiet. In case you're wondering. You know, as much as people hate on prunes, I think they're delicious.
They are tasty. They're just an old lady fruit. Kind of like how Ruth is an old lady name.
So we're gonna take you guys to Walmart and get our ingredients. I thought you were gonna